Quick shout out to friend and fellow motorcycle journalist Moshe Levy. When I told Moshe I'm rereading Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance because I'm riding Persig's route this year, he said, "I got a book for you. Shop Class as Soulcraft. I haven't read it yet, but I've heard really good things about it." Thanks a lot, Moshe. Be sure to check out his YouTube channel, Moto Mouth Moshe, where Moshe provides real detailed reviews of motorcycle products that he actually uses. And that's a Moto Minute.